Griffin! Go get him! Stella! 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 Get her!
Time 6 minutes.
Get her! Charlie! Go get her! Go get her! Hi, Miss Stella. What are you doing? Sorry, Max. Sorry. She's trying. There's Mr. Griffin. Hi, Miss. What? You don't need to lay on my lap, buddy. There you go. What was her name?
Bailey.
Bailey. Hi. Let's get some video. Good girl. Go get him.
10 months today.
10 months. You know, weirdly
Time
enough,
24 minutes. Distance 0.62 miles.
I got you. I got you. Oh. I got her. I got her. It's all good. I saved her from this one. Or saved him from her. I got you. You know, weirdly enough, he wanted to play with her, and he's just sitting on the sidelines.
He's just saying they can do it.
She's trying. There's Mr. Griffin. Come. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, Griffin. Come on, Griff. Griffin. Up. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Griffin. You know why? Come on. All the way up. All the way up. That's a boy. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Charlie. There you are. Stay. Stay up there.
Time 42 minutes. Distance 1.24 miles.
Do it on. Come on. Perfect. Come on. Go on. Go. Good boy, Griffin. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Charlie. Get him. Go get him, Charlie. Get him. Come on.
There you go, Boomer.
Go. Go. Get him. Go. Hi there, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, Charlie? Go get him. Get him. Griffin.
Time 46 minutes. Distance 1.47 miles.
What are you doing, little boy? Hi, Charlie. Go get her.
Hey, this way.
What are you doing? Hey, Mr. Max. Hi, Mr. Griffin. Griffin's a butt.
Get Charlie out of there.
Hi. Go get her. Go. Go say hi.
Charlie.
Charlie, come now. Go get him. I know what he's doing. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him, Charlie. Go get him. Go Get him. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Go get him. Get him, Charlie. Go get him, Charlie.